Shankaran Narain from ICICI Prudential has commented that one should be exiting the mid and small cap space lock, stock and barrel. And unless one is there for the next 20 years in small caps and mid cap SIPs, the outlook is going to be poor for those people who started their SIPs after 2023. Should you consider exiting your mid and small cap positions? Should you consider discontinuing your SIPs? Here are the answers. Firstly, let's not single out mid and small cap space. Since the market correction from 2024 September, large cap, mid cap and small caps have all started correction. Large caps have corrected by 12%, mid caps 20% and small caps another 20%. But when you look at the outperformance in the past 5 years, I mean 13%, mid caps at 16%, small caps at 13%. And when you look at the SIP data as compared to the lump sum, it's even better. So history has shown that SIPs in mid and small caps have performed beautifully. Large caps have shown a 13% performance, mid caps at 17% and small caps at 15%. So the answer to your question is not discontinue your SIPs and do not exit your mid and small cap positions. So if the mid and small cap space tends to rattle you during their downturns, ensure that you have a good asset allocation in your portfolio. Let a dominant part of it be allocated to the large cap space. Let 50%, 70% be allocated to the large cap space. Remaining 30% can be allocated to the mid and small cap space. And thirdly, it is important that you stay in the equity space, specifically in the mid and small cap space for the long term. Equity can be very volatile in the short term, but in the long term, the volatility tends to get ironed out. And lastly, and very importantly, there has been a 99.3% probability of the mid and small cap space to be positive as the last 10-year rolling return data. So you want to take advantage of that, and hence it's important for you to be a part of these positions. For the remaining 0.7% probability that they can turn negative, ensure that you're giving the large cap space a dominant part in your portfolio.